Spoon!
Hello, friends. Are you ready to count? Hello, friends. Are you ready to count? Let's use our fingers and look around. Here we go. Let's start with one, like one big yellow sun. Shine, shine, up in the sky, having so much fun. Number one, just one. Now look at two, like two little shoes. Stomp, stomp, walking down the street, me and you. 1, 2, that's what we do. Counting is magic, counting is alive. Let's count together from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here comes 3, like 3 apples on a tree. Yum, yum! Red and round, delicious to see. 1, 2, 3. Let's find 4, like 4 paws on the floor. Meow! A playful kitty running through the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are almost there. High in the sky, get your hand ready. Wave it high. What comes next? Can you guess? It's number 5. Like 5 fingers. Oh! Wave them wide. Wiggle them around, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4.